you tired of searching for a new day planner every year? Never finding one that truly fits your style or meets your needs? I felt the same way and grew tired of settling. I use a day planner every single day, so it should be something I love, something that inspires, and something that encourages me. So I created my own junk journal day planner, and I realized that other creatives need it too. I provide all the tools you'll need to set yourself up for daily beauty, creativity, and organization all in one space. This project is an ongoing work of art. You'll set up the framework of your planner and then add to it whenever inspiration strikes. Doodle and draw daily, set a monthly appointment with yourself to create, or just update your journal whenever the mood hits. Fill your junk journal planner with inspiring scripture, notes, pictures, and motivation, and then rediscover them throughout the year. It's like hiding your own Easter eggs to be found over time. Don't just fill out another store-bought day planner that you're going to throw away at the end of the year. Create your own one-of-a-kind planner that serves as a memory keeper, a creative record of your life. Dedicate your days to crafting something you'll be proud to leave behind. It's a task manager, scrapbook, memory keeper, and inspirational journal all rolled into one. The best part is you can keep adding to it. With removable pages, you can carry what you need and leave the rest on the shelf at home. Create new books every single year or keep adding to the planner that you already have. It's a creative legacy that continues as long as you wish. Honestly, any day.